According to Drive Tesla, Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin has been operational for over 2 years. During this time, workers have used 65,000 coffee mugs. Andre Thierig, director of manufacturing, shared this figure during a staff meeting on July 4, 2024. Tesla employs around 12,000 workers at the factory. Thierig humorously noted that each worker statistically has 5 IKEA coffee mugs at home. Despite the laughter, he expressed frustration over the frequent need to order new mugs. He later highlighted the factory's new Giga gym for employees on LinkedIn. The meeting also addressed union pressures following the recent Works Council election in March. IG Metall, a major German trade union, won the most seats but did not secure a majority. Michaela Schmitz, the re-elected Works Council head, criticized some council members for being influenced by the union. Thierig thanked employees for a high voter turnout and for choosing not to fully unionize the factory. He emphasized the importance of maintaining an independent future for Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg. You are listening to UON News.